If you've ever wondered, why does my skin react to everything? This video is for you. We are diving deep into what sensitive skin actually means, why it reacts the way it does, and the simple steps to calm it down once and for all. I'm saving one game-changing tip for the end that has transformed my own sensitive skin. I promise you don't want to miss it. I'm Vidhi, co-founder of Folium Cottage and a natural skincare expert with over a decade of experience providing natural solutions that work for sensitive skin. Does your skin freak out over everything? Makeup, weather changes, or even skincare products that everyone else swears by? You're not alone. Sensitive skin isn't just fragile, it's misunderstood. And I'm here to clear it up. So grab a comfortable chair because by the time we are done, you'll know how to take control of your reactive skin and you'll feel confident putting anything on your face again. Okay, so first things first, what exactly is sensitive skin? Most people think it just means that your skin is fragile, but in reality, it's a sign that your skin's barrier isn't doing its job. Imagine your skin barrier like a brick wall. It's supposed to keep all the bad stuff out, like allergens, irritants, and pollution. When that wall gets weakened or damaged, everything sneaks in, and that's what triggers the redness, stinging, or itching that you feel. This is why I always tell our customers, fix your skin barrier first, and you'll notice that your skin stops reacting to everything. There's actually one cream I use every single day, especially when my skin feels raw. It's packed with the ingredients your skin needs to repair itself, and this I'll share later. But here's a kicker. Sensitive skin can happen to anyone. Yes, anyone and any time. Whether you've always had it or suddenly your skin became reactive in recent years, it's usually tied to things like harsh skincare, extreme weather, or even stress. Yes, stress can wreak havoc on your skin. And a quick fact, roughly 60 to 70% of people say they have experienced some form of skin sensitivity, but it can show up in different ways, from redness to dryness to stinging or burning or itching. And by the way, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more natural skincare advice that works. I have so much more for you. So let's talk about the big question. Why does reactive skin seem to hate everything? Most people with sensitive skin think they just need to avoid certain products. But a big part of the problem comes from your skin being too thin, dehydrated, or inflamed. One reason your skin might react to everything is overusing active ingredients like retinols, AHAs, or BHAs without any breaks. Actives are powerful, but if your barrier is already weak, applying them too often or layering them can make things even worse. Simple products with soothing ingredients and hydrating ingredients like aloe vera, oat extracts, or cold-pressed oils can work wonders to calm skin sensitivity and rebuild your skin strength over time. Another example is using harsh cleansers. They can strip away natural oils your skin needs, leaving your barrier wide open. Imagine a shield with holes in it. It's not going to protect you. It could also mean that your skin is reacting because it is dehydration, because dehydration makes the barrier even weaker. And let me tell you, this isn't about avoiding all products and ingredients forever. Thankfully, there are ways to train your skin to tolerate more over time, which I will share. Let's also talk about the triggers. What are the other triggers for sensitive skin? Some common culprits include pollution, sudden weather changes like going from humid to extremely dry air, or using overly harsh cleansers without proper moisturizing afterward. And believe it or not, even psychological triggers like stress or lack of sleep can lead to flare-ups. This is because when your stress levels go up, so does the inflammation in your body and then on your skin. So it's super important to think holistically about your skincare routine and lifestyle. But here's a promise. You're not doomed to have reactive skin forever. It just needs the right care. And don't worry, I will make it very easy for you. Alright, let's jump into the part that everyone's been waiting for. How do you calm down your sensitive and reactive skin? There are 3 steps to repairing your skin barrier. Step 1, switch to barrier-friendly products. The first step is to stop experimenting with gimmicky, strong, or artificial skincare and start focusing on products that repair your skin barrier. For example, creams made with healthy, non-comedogenic oils that are rich in vitamins and nutrients that your skin needs can rebuild the strength of your skin wall. Step 2. Simplify your routine. Sensitive skin doesn't like drama, so cut down on unnecessary layers in your routine. Start simple. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. That's it. Even products that seem harmless can overload your skin if it's already stressed. A tip that personally helped me was learning how to listen to my skin. For example, if my skin feels really tight after cleansing, it's a very clear sign that I need to focus more on hydration. Or switch to gentler cleanser without artificial surfactants. Sometimes making small adjustments based on what your skin is trying to tell you can make a huge difference. Step 3. Hydrate like your life depends on it. Never underestimate hydration for sensitive skin. Drink plenty of water, use hydrating serums, and apply moisturizer immediately after washing your face to lock in that hydration. Without enough water, your skin barrier becomes even weaker. And now, my secret for calm skin. Here's the bonus tip that changed the game for me completely. Sleep on it. Literally. Did you know that your skin repairs itself during the night? That means nighttime creams with barrier repair ingredients can work double time while you sleep. That's why I swear by layering our Ultra Nourishing Cream as an overnight treatment. It's like waking up to a softer, calmer skin every morning. Seriously, give your skin that rest. It deserves it. And don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself for a week and let me know in the comments how your skin feels. I'm willing to bet you'll feel the difference almost immediately. Alright, we covered a lot today. Why sensitive skin reacts, the importance of protecting your skin barrier, and how to calm sensitive skin down fast. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural skincare advice that works. Also, share your sensitive skin struggles in the comments. I love hearing your stories and I will respond to everyone. And if you're curious about the Ultra Nourishing Cream I mentioned, check the link in the description. I promise it's worth reading more about. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.